Today I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Mexc. Let's get started. First, log into your Bybit account. Navigate to the Assets tab and select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, USDT. Log into your Mexc account. Go to Wallet and find the deposit address for the selected cryptocurrency. Copy this address and paste it into the address field on Bybit. Ensure you select the correct network that matches your Mexc wallet. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Complete any required security verification, such as a two-factor authentication. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. Your funds should arrive in your Mexc wallet shortly. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.